Working on the 240 today. So what's going on, guys? This is my 1995 Nissan 240SX hooked up from Dash Hub. If you're new here, well, first of all, hi. Hello, how are you doing? It is, what? Someone, what? Huh? Okay, someone threw a phone book underneath my car. That's cool. Anyways, yeah, so this weekend is the first drift event that I'll be doing with my 240. And we have some stuff to do before then, primarily the coilovers. But yeah, if you're new here, last summer I partnered up with Dash Hub, which is a website for basically car auctions. So you can go on there and you can bid on cars that are up for auction, whether they be salvaged. There's clean cars as well, but essentially all those auctions that like insurance companies put up cars for sale and stuff like that, you have access to that with Dash Hub. So we partnered up together. They sent out this 95 Nissan 240SX and we're doing a drift build with it, guys. The day this car was delivered was the same day, well, day after our first baby was born. So Aylin was born last May. While we were still in the hospital, the car was delivered, and haven't done a drift event with this yet, but we're starting to work on it now. And one of the companies that I've been most excited to work with sent out coilovers. BC Racing, guys. BC Racing custom coilovers. They sent me out some coilovers that we're gonna be installing today. By the way, I don't know if my hair sucks. I decided not to put on a hat. Actually, I think I'm gonna put on a hat, my lady. So, BC Racing sent out a set of coilovers that we're gonna be installing on the 240 today. I'm so excited. One of the probably main things that needed to get done before this event. Connor, you guys met him, maybe you met him. I had him in the video. He had the red E30 BMW. Back when I did the first time that I actually went to a drift event where I drove and I rode in his E30. Love that car. Unfortunately, he sold it. He picked up an S13 that he's working on right now, but he's gonna come up to the event, just me and the S14 that I have. And yeah, he's coming over today. We're gonna install the coilovers, get this thing ready to go because Sunday's a drift event. There's a driver's meeting at 11 a.m., which means we have to, it's like a 4 to 5 hour drive towing up to where this event is in Mineral Wells. So yeah, we're gonna have to leave here at like 5 a.m. Not looking forward to it. But let's see what we've got here in the box. Woohoo! Here we go. BC Racing 95 to 99 Sylvia S14 DR type coilover. Dude, check out this box. I'm excited about this box. Whoo, baby. Jeez, these look good. Getting serious, boys. All right, so Connor is gonna be over here soon. Don't know exactly when. I'm gonna take off the other wheel here. We'll work on the rear first because it was freaking easy to lift up the rear and take off the rear wheels. So I'm gonna get the wheels taken off. Reverse doesn't work on my impact anymore. Harbor Freight quality for you guys. So Connor's gonna be here in like a half hour. I'm probably gonna get started on my own, but first, someone sent a package to the P.O. box. Figure I'd open that since I've, got the time for it right now. Oh, okay, so someone was telling me that they'd be sending me this. I completely forgot about it. Hey Motonosity, with your build series and you misplacing hardware, I thought this might be a good thing to have around. It's a bunch of small Ziploc bags. Appreciate it, man. Thanks so much. Yeah, I will make sure to use these in the next build series. Kind of too late for this one. By this one, I'm talking about the R3. Yeah, we don't just build cars here. We work on motorcycles too. We primarily work on motorcycles. Let's get started on the rear coilovers. No lie, I think this install is supposed to be pretty easy. The only thing that I think might be a little bit of a holdup is getting like measurements and alignment set up. How I'm gonna take the advice from Connor since he's been doing this. Now for the rear coilovers, I should just have to remove the bolt right behind here that's holding on the shock. And then up here, there should be a couple bolts that I have to take off as well. I gotta figure out how to get this panel off. I'm sure it just lifts off, but yeah, gonna do that right now. All right, easy enough. Got that off, and whew, those bolts are pretty rusty in there. So there's 2 bolts, one there, one there. Take those off. Take off that bolt. Should drop right out. That was easy. Yep. So Connor made it here, and well, things are already going quick, but oh yeah. Connor, say hello. Do you make YouTube videos yet again, or no? I want to. He posts on Instagram. That is the thing. So you guys can follow him on his Instagram. I'll link that. But yeah, we should take care of this pretty quick. And Connor's going to be going to the event with me this weekend. We're gonna have to be leaving really early on Sunday morning.
We leave here at like 6.
Yeah, if not earlier.
Yeah.
Does it have new bolts for the top or new nuts?
Yeah.
All right, those are on.
The hardest.
Ooh, rocking the snap-on.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I spent way too much money on it, but it was worth it in the end. They usually come set to a pretty good height. There we go. All right. Sweet. There you go. Yeah, that's it. I think that's perfect.
Holy crap, dude.
That's even lower than before.
That looks so freaking good. Oh, I love it. Okay. Moving on to the front.
That's like,
It goes around twice. That's
yeah,
it.
That's it. That's insane.
That's so weird.
You could fit your head in here, dude.
This is the weirdest spring that I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Dude, not even the ones on my Jeep were that big.
That's crazy.
That install took way shorter than I thought it would.
Yeah. What do you think? Like, probably like 30 minutes?
30 minutes? Yeah. I was expecting up to like 4 hours. And you said 2 hours. I was like, okay, I'm cool with that. Literally like half an hour. So alignment, what do you do for that? Do you take it somewhere to get that done, or?
So usually I kind of just like eyeball it.
Okay.
As bad as that sounds. But as long as like the camber looks the same on both sides, that's fine. That's not really gonna mess with how the car drives. I have toe plates if you want to adjust the toe, but
okay.
It should be fine since the car was already lowered. But yeah, I think it's time to put the wheels on.
Oh, yeah, it hits the bumper. So we got the wheels back on and we were checking to make sure that there's no rub or anything like that. There doesn't seem to be any on the left side at full lock either direction, but on the right side, it almost seems as if the axle is like misaligned because the right side wheel is something bent.
No, you have the wrong traction arm on here.
Are you serious? It's different?
Yeah, there's an S14 one here and it looks like an S13 one on this side.
Oh my gosh. So that's why it sits off, because
Yeah.
it's the wrong length?
Yeah, it's too small.
It's shorter.
So it's pushing the wheel forward.
Oh crap. Well, that explains that. So like if you sit it straight, you can see that it touches the front bumper. Sitting straight, you see we've got like an inch and a half right here. Two things to fix that. One, Connor's gonna be picking up or hopefully finding, Julian thinks he has one at his shop, so he's going to try to find it there and we'll swap that in. That'll fix the rub issue, but we're also going to swap on the front wheels that I still haven't picked up. We'll get those swapped on before the event. What we're doing now though, we just made a Walmart run, picked up some oil, get that oil change done, and also picked up some windshield wipers because it might rain this weekend and I don't want to get stuck with what is probably really crappy. These actually, you know what? These don't look too bad. But yeah, didn't want to end up with windshield wipers that don't work, so.
Doesn't look horrible.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it.
That.
Reds look good.
Yeah. Doing this blind, I can't see it. Oh, there we go.
Try it?
So the yeah, my my battery's completely dead, so we're gonna jump it real quick, get it running. Dude, I'm so freaking hyped on these wheels and these coilovers. Freaking yes, bro. Oh, I'm focusing on fur. Woo! Dude, those coilovers look so nice. I appreciate you coming over.
Yeah, dude, for sure.
I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll put on that bar if you can find one. All right, man. Good. I'll see you. That went by really well. I was expecting it to be a lot longer of a day, but we got that done. And so, I'll get those windshield wipers put on. Got the nuts. These nuts. Freaking so stoked for this weekend. Get everything taken care of and leaving early on Sunday morning to head up to Mineral Wells. Hopefully have a freaking good time. I'm excited. Huge shout out to BC Racing for sending out the coilovers. I'm so excited to see how they feel out on track. But seriously, it's so awesome. I'm so excited to get started with this stuff. Like, I know you guys have been waiting forever for me to start drifting this thing and doing work on it. BC is helping making it happen. Of course, if you guys want to check out Dash Hub, that's where I got the car. I'll link that down below along with the coilovers so you can check them out. And that's one of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And if you want to get any of my merch, including Life's Better with Horsepower shirts and key tags, check out the merch link down in the bio. Not bio. I'm rambling. You guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.